Hi. So about a month ago, the Gen Z fashion icon herself, Miss Emma Chamberlain, posted a video on her channel called Reviewing Fashion Trends. Basically in the video, Emma goes through some of 2020's best and worst fashion trends and essentially rates them if they're ugly or not. And I thought to myself, I don't think some of these things are ugly. And then I had this glorious idea. What if I wore all the clothes that she said were ugly to prove that they were ugly? Wearing clothes doesn't make you pretty on it. It doesn't have to. T. Let's do it.
Somebody said bell-bottom pants. I hate them.
I have personally never worn bell-bottom jeans, but I am excited to do so. They look fun. They look funky. They're so much fun. This could work. Why do I love them? I feel incredible. Y'all seeing this? You add the bag. We've got like hippie vibes happening. Also, they make my butt look really good. When I was in the post office, somebody complimented my pants. It was an old lady, but who gives a shit? So when I was out, nobody said anything except for that lady at the post office. I did get a few looks, did a little bit of a double take, like maybe they just hadn't seen bell bottoms in a while. I have personally decided that bell bottoms are not ugly. But you know, I'm gonna be honest, I used to think bell bottoms were ugly. I didn't love them, but here we are, and I love it. I'm obsessed. It's all in the way that you rock it. If you hate them, but if you wore them with confidence, then like they look good on you no matter what. You know what I mean? They make me want to just like fly away. If I moved my legs fast enough, I could just fly into the atmosphere, into the ozone, and die. Okay, so for all the outfits, I'm gonna ask people on Omegle, and if they think it's ugly or not. And I genuinely do not care their opinion. This is for science. Okay, so I'm asking people if they think my outfit is ugly or not. And you can think whatever you want. Okay. Today I'm wearing bell-bottom jeans. How do we feel?
Yeah.
Do we think they're ugly, not ugly?
We like.
You like them?
I think that the shirt should be a turtleneck crop top.
Looks like a fun time in there.
I'm a fan.
You're a fan?
I'm a fan.
Yes!
I went for like disappointing my mom.
You know what? I think self-expression has many different forms. What you wear is just fabric on your skin. What really defines you is what's in your noggin.
I plan on coming up to my dad this week.
You got this. What's your name?
My name is Anne.
Okay, Anne, I'm proud of you. I don't even know you. We're gonna blow up the comments, okay? Okay, you got this, Anne. Bye. Guys, we have to support Anne. She's coming out to her dad. This is incredible.
Somebody said biker shorts. I don't know. I don't like it. I just really don't like it.
I'm gonna have to agree with Emma on this one. I don't love biker shorts. I like them on other people. I think they look great. They're sporty, they're fun, they're convenient, but also I've never tried them. I am scared to have a camel toe all day. I feel like an Olympic male swimmer. Here's the other issue we're running into. It's wintertime. Didn't know how to style this. What if we do a fun, oversized, all black fleece moment? Can cover the camel toe, okay? Oh no. I like thought like maybe I had something going. Oh, maybe I do. Oh, maybe I really don't. Oh, it's so bad. But maybe, you know, okay, so I added this like slicked back bun situation. I have glued my bangs to my head. I'm struggling here, but I'm thinking I need a different top situation. Okay. Y'all are not ready for what I have just done. Bitch. Y'all seeing this? We've got like the masculine look, but with like the feminine figure. All right, so much layering, so much texture. I'm like scared to wear this, but like, we got it. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. On the car right here, I did just have to call my sister. I was like feeling confident and now I'm like starting to lose my confidence, but I gotta work it back up again, okay? It's a fit, it's a choice. I'm just reminding myself that I look cute as fuck. I could impeach Donald Trump with this fit. I like this outfit and that's all that matters, right? It doesn't even matter if Emma Chamberlain herself likes it. You guys, I did it. Nobody looked for an abnormal amount of time. I mean, it was just kind of like Jasmine walking through the store. It was no big deal. And it made me realize, like, think of all the other people that are wearing outfits that they might not feel that confident in, but like you don't even notice it because they're the only ones thinking it and we can't see what they're thinking. I'm gonna be honest, used to think these were ugly, no longer thinking that. You can dress them up or you can dress them down. But like this is so fun. I'm gonna rate the biker shorts a 6 or 7 out of 10. I don't know, they just don't feel like a 10 for me. Like this outfit is an 11, but the shorts themselves, do I think they're ugly? No. I'm getting like I could help you file for divorce vibes on top, but then on the bottom, Ryan Lochte, watch out. Missy Franklin, swim faster. I'm gonna beat you. Let's ask some people on Omegle what they think. Okay, so I'm asking people to rate my outfit and to tell me if they think it's ugly or not. I'm wearing biker shorts.
Doesn't look too bad.
I think that's pretty cute. Isn't it like LA fashion?
I guess so.
Like if you're wearing sunglasses walking down a dark street, like it's raining slowly, you got an umbrella, you got shades on.
What do you think about biker shorts? Do you think they're ugly?
I think they're cute. Honestly, no, not really.
Not really?
Me? I don't like, but you say like awesome.
Thank you. That means so much.
It makes you kind of feel like you're rich. Like you got all that money, you know, like you got that, you know, those large brim hats, those black hats, and then the sunglasses.
Yes. Awesome, bye, thank you. Okay, well overall, people seem to be okay with biker shorts. I know Emma didn't really say that they were explicitly ugly, that they were just kind of dying out, but I think we could liven them up again, bring them back to life.
Next is tie-dye. No. I really don't like tie-dye. I hate it, actually, for some reason. Traditional tie-dye is a fucking no for me. I hate it.
Tie-dye. I personally have supported tie-dye for a long time. I've rocked a lot of rainbow tie-dye in my life, and I have no regrets. This is one of my many tie-dye shirts from high school. Rocked this one especially sophomore year when I was a mess. Let's not talk about it. We're not gonna wear it with our Lululemon leggings and white slip-on Vans. We're gonna rock a different look with the tie-dye today. Let's make it trendy. Anything can be a trend if you make it a trend. I have 2 ideas for this one. How about a white tennis skirt? I feel like if the shirt was more oversized, it might like work more. Honestly, it's kind of fun. What if we add in purple eyeliner? Maybe not. We're trying. I don't love it, but it's something. Let's talk about it, shall we? Okay, so I wore this in Walmart and nobody seemed to give a shit, as predicted, as per usual, because nobody actually gives a shit. I look like a Pop-Tart. I did see that they were selling traditional spiral tie-dye in Walmart. Is Walmart predicting fashion trends for 2021? Am I creating the fashion trends for 2021? Personally, don't love the long sleeve underneath. I feel like this outfit could actually be very, very cute if we didn't have that going on. Don't love the shoelace belt, but these pants were a little too big, and I know Miss Emma Chamberlain herself made it iconic, so had to give it a go. I look like a blueberry and I'm not mad about it. You know, I love blueberries. They're full of antioxidants. Who doesn't love that? So I do agree with Emma. I do think that sometimes spiral tie-dye can look a little tacky, but now I'm realizing that it doesn't have to look tacky if you don't want it to look tacky. It's unique, it's colorful, you can express yourselves in the colors. I don't see anything wrong with tie-dye. This outfit as a whole, I'd say in the beginning I would have given it like a 5, but now I'm starting to think I might give it like 7, 8, just because it's so fun. How fun. Let's go home and see what people think on Omegle. Let's find out.
Hey, serious question, don't skip me yet. Do you think this movie was ahead of its time?
Yes.
They have children and then the children play soccer.
Okay, so I'm asking people to tell me if they think my outfit is ugly or not, and you can be 100% honest. Here's what we're working with.
Not gonna lie, that fit kinda go hard.
Really?
I don't like it.
Change the pants and that shit's fine.
Yeah, change the pants.
Dun, 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 dun.
The outfit, it's alright. You know, I think it's good. I think the pants need to be different colors.
It's nice. I would wear that honestly.
Really? You would wear this?
Yeah.
What's your opinion on tie-dye in general? Like spiral tie-dye?
Pretty good as long as you don't wear it all the time.
I have a confession. I used to be one of those people.
Anybody can learn. Jesus saves. So he can save you from the tie-dye.
Exactly.
I would give it a 7.
You give it.
I would give it a 2. Interesting pieces apart, but I don't like them together.
Okay, valid.
You gotta get something like this, like that shit.
Yes.
Jordans, some bracelets, then I think you're good.
And then it's a 10?
And then it's a 10.
And then it's a 10. Awesome, thank you so much. Bye, guys.
Bye.
The spiral tie-dye could be fun. Do we like the actual outfit that Jasmine put together today? It's questionable, and I agree. But you know what? We did it.
Low-rise jeans. I don't like low-rise jeans. My main thing with low-rise jeans is that I don't feel confident in them. I just feel exposed.
Good morning. Today, we're going out with a bang. Not only do we have a low-waisted skirt, but we also have a zebra print belt.
The problem with prints is that when they get really popular, they can also become boring.
It's gonna be rough. Oh, it's rough. Oh, it's really rough. Hi, the belt is too small, which isn't good. Okay, in my hair, I've done this like slicked back headband situation. Feels very 2000s. Very like Britney Spears, but also like Ariana Grande, if they had a child. Let's not go there. I feel like this outfit would look really good if you had like the little glasses. I personally do not own those items, but imagine this outfit with that. Just like 2001. I don't know, but it's fine. It's acceptable. It's not ugly. It just isn't my favorite.
Okay, overall thoughts, I hate it. And it's not that I don't like the look of it, I don't like the feel of it. It looks kind of fun. It's like new, it's different. It's something else. But in terms of the feel, I have to keep pulling it down because it wants to ride over my hips like normal pants. Like, it's exhausting. So convenience, 0 out of 10. I personally don't think it's ugly. I've seen so many people on Pinterest rock low-waisted things. I wouldn't call it ugly. I just call it special. Would I wear it again? Probably not. Would I wear maybe low-waisted like flare jeans? Low-waisted bell-bottom jeans? Who knows? I think it's fun, the like denim on denim. I feel like if you're gonna go with something low-waisted, you gotta like embrace the like 2000s moment, okay? You need the glasses, you need the little bag. I also think the zebra belt would have just tied it all together. Can we get a close-up on this hair? I might honestly wear this hairstyle again. I like tied it below, but like, let's not talk about it. I'd probably rate this maybe an 8. It's not a 10 because of the comfort factor, but in terms of the look, it's an 8 or a 9. Okay, let's see what people on Omegle think. Hi, do you guys want to be in a YouTube video?
Sure.
Here's what we're wearing. Oh Jesus Christ. I'm wearing a low-waisted skirt.
I think it looks really cute. I think it looks really cute. That's really cute.
I think it's just not bad. It's alright.
How do you feel about low-waisted skirts like in general?
They're really cute.
I think they're fashionable.
You think they're fashionable? Would you wear them yourself?
Yeah.
What would you rate this out of 10?
A 9, a 7, or an 8.
I'd say a 9.5 because it's really cute, but it's low-waisted.
It is low-waisted.
Probably like an 8.
Okay, awesome. Well, thank you guys for your participation. Okay, well, overall, people thought it was okay. I don't know. It's questionable because it like works, but it's not like it. It's trying to be something that it can never be. You know what I mean? I don't know.
Well, there you go. I think we determined that none of these are actually that ugly. Not that Emma said that any of them were explicitly ugly, but that she just didn't really approve of them. I think we can all agree that nowadays, if Emma Chamberlain doesn't approve of something, then therefore we all have to disapprove of it. But I'm thinking otherwise. I'm thinking, why don't we just all like what we like? You know what I mean? And everybody can just like have their own opinion. I don't know. You could think whatever I wore was ugly, and I don't really give a shit because it was fun. Wear whatever the fuck you want, regardless of if it's trendy or not, regardless if it's no longer trendy, if it's becoming trendy, it doesn't matter. Just wear whatever you want to wear, and it can change every single day. Your aesthetic can change every single day. The colors you like can change every single day. Nothing is permanent, so don't treat it like it is. You know what I mean? I don't know. That's also something that I need to work on, and I need to remind myself. So I'm really just talking to myself. Hey, don't forget to subscribe if like you want to. I don't know. Don't forget to drink water. You know the drill. Today's question of the day is, what is your go-to song for dancing around in your room? Like, what's your favorite bop? For me, it's a no-brainer. Car Wash by Christina Aguilera. I think we know this by now, but let me know. Maybe if we all comment, I'll make a playlist and then we can all listen to each other's favorite dance party songs. That'd be really fun. Anyways, I love you guys. Don't forget to comment and do all the things and say hello. And I love you. And I'll see you next time.